Sure. I can look at that too.
I'll call Jim. I'll probably find out from Jim. He'll probably tell me what's going on. Much of that,
Yeah.
I've spoken.
Yeah, it just depends. We hear for a wide area, but you never know where an individual orchards could be totally different.
Right.
I'm looking at the Bellatons right now. I'm talking to you, and it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice load on them. I talked to my brother yesterday, and one orchard's not so strong, but the
Okay, good. Have you spoken to John? Have you spoken to John? They always do.